Right, we have the Anytone AT500M radio here, which if you saw the adjustment thing, you don't take the lids off because it's done from the front panel, and that's got to be the most boring video I've ever done. So it's sat there on channel 19 playing music like you'd expect. So let's see if Mr. Chippie's anywhere to be seen on channel 31. Let's see where the Squelch is on this radio. Let's try it at position 17. Now we've got to wait for that to time out, because you cannot transmit or do anything until that function you've gone into has timed out. So somebody said something on a channel, I just fiddled with the Squelch and I keyed them out and nothing happened. No wonder I enjoy doing the older radios. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, copy.
Tango 21, I'm just turning around at the lay-by.
Excellent. Try and get more of it on camera, unless it falls off my little screwdriver stand. It says it's got a public address on it somewhere, but it's only got one speaker socket, so I'm not quite sure how that works, and I can't say that I'm going to bother looking through to worry about it.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, just coming on towards the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
It's a bit quiet, that's
Oh, well, I better talk a bit closer. The absolute maximum deviation you can achieve is 2.1 over.
Roger that. I find it a bit quiet and thin, shall I say.
Roger on that. Oh, here we go.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. I have it on good authority from someone who works for this company who makes these kind of radios, who says the absolute maximum deviation you can get out of them is 2 kilohertz. So by our standards, that's low over.
Right, well, that explains things. Right, square wheel at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down towards Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Yeah, don't take any notice of the S meter. It's calibrated rather sensitive, and I didn't see any way that you can adjust that. But then I don't have the service manual.
Right, now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger on that, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now passing Rossby Level Crossing.
Roger, got you at Rossby Level Crossing, and that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that.
10-10. Okay, well, it receives superbly. Of course, to mess with the Squelch, you've got to go into the Squelch thing, faff about with it, and then you've got this timeout to happen until you can do anything else. So that is a real faff. As he says, transmitted audio, the very maximum you can set on this was 2.1 kilohertz. And somebody I know who kind of works for this company says the maximum is actually 2. So any chance of it being 2.2, an absolute maximum of 2.5, is right out of the window, because 2 is the maximum. So although it's got it does go smoothly into CPT with the band press, and then into, it starts with AM CPT and then moves on to FM CPT, and then of course FM only for the UK channels. It's a faff, isn't it? S meter, well, reads a bit generous. So we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like.